Let's learn Party in the Hills. It's choreographed by Whitehouse, McKeever, and Joey Warren. It is a 32 count 2-wall advanced line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Party in the Hills. Section 1, you're basically going to start on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left, and as you step forward with your left, you're going to body roll forward. So starting with your head and shoulders, you're going to roll forward, and then we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're going to do a kickball side, keep your left foot forward, step your left next to your right, and step your right foot to the right side. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, crosswalk your left over your right, recover onto your right foot, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, but when you do this step, you want it to be a solid step to the side, so you kind of want to make it bigger than the rest of the steps, step to the side. And what I kind of like to do is lift my toe up slightly. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your body roll with your left. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Section 2, we're going to do a behind quarter forward, so you're going to cross your left behind your right. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your left. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping down onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step back with your right. We're now going to step out, slightly back, left, right, and you're going to cross your left over your right. Step back with your right, make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, touching your right next to your left to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to lunge to the right, stepping your right foot to the side, slightly bending that right knee and leaning to the right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped our right foot to the side for 1. You're going to do your behind quarter forward for 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Section 3, we're going to recover our weight onto our left, and you're going to flick your right foot back into the side. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're going to do a step to the left, and you're going to drag your right toe into your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a 3/4 sailor step. So turning over your left shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn. As you cross your left behind your right, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then you'll make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our lunge for 1. You're going to do your flick. It's 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a ball heel grind. So you're going to step your right next to your left. You're going to place your left heel forward, and you're going to rotate your toes from right to left and recover your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to step our left next to our right. You're going to rock your right foot forward, recover back onto your left foot, rock your right foot to the side, recover onto your left foot. We're now going to step back with our right, sweep your left from front to back. Step back with your left, sweep your right from front to back. You're going to step down on your right and then pop your left knee, slightly angling your body to the right. This is a prep so that you can go into a full turn. You're going to step forward with your left foot. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder. And as you make this half turn, you're going to go into your body roll to start the dance over again. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our sailor steps. So you're going to do your ball heel grind. So it's and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 into your body roll, and then go into your coaster step. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right. You're starting with your body roll. So it's body roll, coaster, step, kick, ball, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, touch, side, behind, quarter, forward, half, half, back, out, out, cross, back, half, quarter, touch, lunge, flick, crossing shove, full side, drag, quarter, three-quarter sailor, step, ball, heel, grind, ball, rock, recover, side, rock, recover, back, sweep, back, pop, forward, half, start over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your body roll. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 to start over again. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen one time and one time only. It will be immediately after your first wall. I'm going to do it facing 12 o'clock so that you can see what it looks like, but then we'll practice it to the back wall. Your tag is 16 counts. Weight will be on your right. You'll be coming out of your full turn. And normally we would start with our body roll. For the tag, you're going to step forward with your left foot. We're going to do a right mambo step, rock forward with your right foot, recover backward to your left, step back with your right. We're now going to do a left coaster cross, step your left foot back, right together, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a side rock cross, rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left. Now we're going to step out, out, cross, stepping your left foot out to the side, right foot out to the side, and then cross your left over your right. And that is section 1 of the tag. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're stepping forward. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 2 of our tag, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step together with your left, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side, step together with your right, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to do how we end the dance. So we're going to step back with our right and sweep your left from front to back. Step back with your left, sweep your right from front to back. Step back with your right, pop that left knee forward. Step forward with your left, make that half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot, and then make that half turn over your left shoulder to go into the dance with your body roll. And that is the whole tag. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our out, out, cross. You're doing your side together. So it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Ready to start over again. So now let's do it to the 6 o'clock wall. We're going to do it from our pop back. So we're going to do the last few counts of the dance so that you can practice transitioning into the tag. So right now your weight's back on your right, your left knee is popped. You're going to do your step, half, half into your tag. So it's 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you will continue on from the dance. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. You will do your sit with your pop and your forward half, and then I just like to do the first few counts of the dance so that I end kind of in a comfortable position, but you could end with just a body roll if you want. You have some liberty. There is no ending listed on the step sheet, so it ends facing 12 o'clock. Have a little fun. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your right. You're starting with your body roll. So it's body roll, coaster, step, kick, ball, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, touch, side, behind, quarter, forward, half, half, back, out, out, cross, back, half, quarter, touch, lunge, flip, crossing shove, full side, drag, quarter, sailor, step, ball, heel, grind, ball, forward, rock, back, sweep, back, pop, forward, half onto your tag, step, mambo step, coaster, cross, side rock, cross, out, cross, side together, side touch, side together, side, back, sweep, back, pop. Forward half, go to the next wall. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and body roll, coaster, step, kickball, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, touch, side, behind, quarter, forward, half, back, out, cross, back, half, quarter, touch, lunge, flick, crossing shot, full side, drag, quarter, three-quarter, sailor, step, ball, heel, grind ball, forward, rock, back, sweep, back, pop, forward, half, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And you will go through until the song ends facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Party in the Hills. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
We was up late to the daytime. She was moving to the baseline. Big bubble in the waistline. Can't fit it all on the FaceTime. She said you don't even know me. If it's real love, better show me. Cause she don't plan on slowing down. The party was going and without warning, saw something foreign. Walked through the door and I can't ignore it. I need some more, yeah. I just might come to Brazil. Met her late night last night at a party in the hills. She told me how she liked my vibe and I said that's real. Said she going home in the morning and I said well, you're so fine, I might come to Brazil. We on the way to the airport. She better put a stamp on my passport. Don't wait to get in coming. The party was going and without warning, saw something foreign. Walked through the door and I can't ignore it. I need some more, yeah. I just might come to Brazil. Met her late night last night at a party in the hills. She told me how she liked my vibe and I said that's real. Said she going home in the morning and I said well, you're so fine, I might come to Brazil. I could catch a flight red eye, girl, it's no big deal. It's no big deal. And I ain't tryna flex too much, that's just how I feel. Said she going home in the morning, I said well, why don't we come to Brazil?